So in this Zillow tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to adjust the lot size requirements for house listings here on Zillow. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Zillow application. Once that is done, go to the top right of your screen when you're on the search tab. So go to the bottom left and press on the search icon. Then go to the top right beside the search bar and press on the three vertical lines, also known as the filters icon. Then once you're on the filter screen, simply just scroll down till you get pretty close to the bottom here to where it says lot size. And what you can actually do now is adjust the lot size filters or the requirements that you're looking for. So for example, under lot size where it says no minimum, if you're looking for a lot size that's a certain size, let's just say for example 3,000 square foot lot, and the maximum, let's just say 1 acre, for example. So if that's your lot size requirements for what you're looking for in a home, simply just add those requirements there. Then go to the bottom and press on see results. So now when you're searching, you can now see homes that are listed with those lot size requirements. So pretty straightforward. That is how you guys can adjust the lot size requirements here on Zillow when searching for listings. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.